My shit was upside down. There you go.
All right, friggity fry. How you been, my friend?
Hating this fucking week. Dude, I had 2 coworkers go up get in a car accident. So it's like, suddenly I'm having to work like every day.
Every day, yeah.
Which is really annoying because I'm supposed to leave in town Thursday.
I'll be leaving town Thursday morning.
Oh no, I definitely am. I'm just dead as fuck trying to do it because
Don't be tired,
he's got me closing the day before. Like, motherfucker, I gotta leave the next day. What the hell is this shit?
I close at what, 11, 12?
12 on Wednesday.
12 on Wednesday?
I can maybe work with this.
It's an 11-hour drive.
I'm trying to set you up for this. My friend's gonna be like, oh no, I don't want to go.
I'm talking shit. I took vacation days.
Oh, so yeah.
Even if I don't go, I'm not going to work.
Right.
Dude.
Yeah, nah. So.
Discard it to add a
Now you got
machine
that.
cyber monster.
But guess what? I don't want to roll.
Yeah, roll with that.
I don't roll with that. Show you what I got. Right. Is that 12?
No, it's a 5. That's also
Shit, it's a
a 5.
5. Let's get it.
7.
More than 7, baby.
Right, 2.
Fry, go ahead.
Mike, do you not have a round?
No, I gotta buy.
You want this shit?
During draw. Activate high score.
What's high screen do?
If you don't negate it, it's going to reveal card in hand. I can send one to the extra deck at the same time, so 25 attack or defense, and then I can send the revealed card and add one to the deck.
What if I stop you from going back in there?
Let you go.
Okay, then I'm going to do this. What do you have going? What, is this plus that many?
Go. That's a bright hand, that's awesome.
And by normal summon convex knight. I'll activate his second effect to send another machine monster from deck.
Chaos Word. Shuffle that under your library. And then after you're done shuffling, I'm gonna cut, and then you reveal the top part of the library. If it's permanent, you put it on the battlefield. So it's again with I run this card in my other deck too.
Yeah.
It's fun.
I've been ready.
I'm barely hanging on to it.
Let's go to battlefield.
Okay.
18 turn.
I fully expect you just to OTK, man.
I would have, but I didn't put Clockwork Knight in there.
I just chaos Word them. I've come back. I've been so lucky.
Draw. That's stuff and things.
You see my eyes out on?
Can't do nothing at all.
Standby, main phase.
Nothing at all.
Normal. No effect.
Normal's good.
The only thing that's
You ain't tough. You ain't tough. I just won the battle phase. Hold up, Brian.
No. Unfortunate. It wouldn't be worth it. Set one. Have to.
well, you've exiled like 2 or 3 of my game changers. So
Basically, when it's summoned, I
Oh,
destroy it.
I control all Earth.
Sure. He's Earth.
He's Earth.
I redid this play.
Fucking genius.
Activate blue travel and gray, targeting itself and
Yes, I just haven't
Dual
drawn
transfer.
them.
What's that?
It's
I have
special.
so
Oh,
many.
okay, sure.
You know what I don't have?
What's the special? Genius effect. Adds an urban shape.
Enchantments.
That's fine.
What are you
That's all I
talking
don't
about?
have, but I don't really need them because I have a ton of sorceries and
Effects are
instants.
still
I just
negated.
haven't had land to cast them either.
The whole turn.
I am the Earth Machine.
I don't have this out. I'll be good. It's a game changer for me right now.
I just told you what it is. I don't remember what you said. I'm not lying. It's ADHD. Tell me what it is.
You said if there was one, you have to listen to my
Regular effect.
Someone else doesn't do it. I know it does.
Yeah, sure.
I don't feel bad about
Overray. Real cannon effect on something. Adds urban shape.
He's real candy.
He's a real cannon. And then once you're to see someone, you can during your main phase, you can normal summon one machine. In addition, I have not normal summoned this turn, but I'm using it.
you get the ad. Nothing I can do about that. Do the ad though.
Shit, make it happen. What you using, man?
The only good option.
This and that.
Yeah. I can't make anything else because you don't have a lighter dark.
Oh yeah, I do not. Middle J. Beautiful.
Keep you off the extra normal in case it's relative.
Oh no, I still get it. It activates the normal. I get the normal.
Really?
Summon. Yes sir. Yes sir. I still get
During
that normal.
minutes, you can
summon.
normal summon machines.
Just because I summoned it.
Just because you gain this effect once per turn. Oh, okay. So it did activate. Sorry,
Yes.
I misunderstood it.
Yes,
Not for Wedging Temple.
I already did the discard.
That's okay.
During my main
I still
phase, I can place
needed to
Still
keep you off stuff.
Activate threats?
scrap zone as a face
Yeah,
of
go for it.
continuous spell. I'm gonna do that.
I'm gonna swing you with my West Trample.
Activate challenge take.
Fuck you, you ain't taking shit.
Woo! What you gonna do about it? What you gonna do
We
there?
are going to activate. It sends regardless, so make your decisions.
That was my problem this game.
Sins regardless. Did you see it?
I'm deciding. Something.
Oh, change. Drop it. Send it. Copy.
Said what?
Convex Knight. That was equipped to regular.
Okay.
Shit, what you dropping, baby? That's wild.
Can't negate if it's not on the board, bitch.
Alright. So that's there, that's no negate, that's there.
And then resolve Mirror Jab.
And then resolve mirror Jab.
We'll get rid of the Regulus.
I haven't used a ton of the cards that I can use.
You might still be able to kill me, but what's there?
Normal summon, Babble Jack.
Babble, babble.
Babble. Because you activated an effect this turn, I can exit summon with just you.
That's an effect.
During your main phase.
Right, does it activate?
No, it just is because you use an effect this turn. Down at the bottom.
I'm trying to see if I had time to do anything about this. If you normal summon this,
Just automatically come back.
so to the normal summon.
Normal summon.
And you know my card is on me, and so that triggers this. So I got 2 copies.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry. So everything you need.
You stop Max?
You don't have it.
Yeah, I kind of figured. I mean,
You chat card?
Okay.
I didn't have enough to get off the ground starting.
Okay, I'm gonna
You get what I'm doing.
Okay.
This is a lot.
Yeah, you're ordering. I already saw like. I'd like draw 2. Nothing I would have drawn would have made a difference there. I had stuff on the end phase that would have been great to like come back, but
not that time.
no, damn purge.
They fucking purge. I'm glad I had them bitches too. Crazy enough, I had them sided.
Let's see.
Oh yes. And now there's something unstoppable
That was clear.
I can see you. Do you? Okay.
Yeah,
I actually work super hard.
It's the size of an avalanche.
If I drew any other fusion spell besides the load, I could never have that.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I need to
I'm
do
just
order
excited
now.
to finally one with BS of my own.
Well, every time you draw a card,
I should
I believe that's what it is. I can't remember.
So one of the things I could have done differently was send the Moltar from hand instead. At least then I would have had Mirror Jade on board to take a hit.
Take a hit, yeah.
Because if you have Exodia,
My damn sure didn't dare crank.
Is that true? Okay.
I'm gonna see her tomorrow. So. She's just been working.
Not that I didn't want to be
I can see her.
I did not get heat. See, that might be more with this.
Yeah, she's 2 forms of fighting. She doesn't have a
Cyber emergency.
What does that do?
or right to that.
Or cyber
She
emergency.
doesn't have
See what we can do on this. I always like your feels, Sam. Bro, why did I think you were sitting here watching somebody do something and you really was? Is he playing 007?
No, he's playing Rainbow Six Siege.
Oh shit, that's easy.
No, I got this.
That's a friend of mine. I'm his moderator, so I keep tabs on it.
Oh shit, okay. Ain't nothing wrong with that. In
Bro, I believe it.
All right, let's try going first again. See if I can make something that makes a difference.
I don't want to, but I know you can.
stuff like that.
They're on the draw.
It's easy.
Let's try it.
You have to go back in there.
They never got to
Like 3 pieces of Exodia.
I agree.
Yep. Still in drop.
Yeah, still on.
I'm going to use Necklace Effect. Discard one other monster I control special
Go
summon.
to standby, main phase.
Discard inside.
Brand fusion.
Effect when it's no more special summon. Special summon monster with 21 vision attack and defense.
Are you activating that effect?
Activating that effect.
I'm writing a nice note. Putting her
Activate this effect.
hopefully that doesn't.
Chain link,
Dragon
one,
Machine. Send 2 Dragon Machine Cyber monsters to create activation to graveyard.
This is
Or issue
2.
my hand
So it's gonna attempt.
Hurts. Like
Oh no, it did that. No, it doesn't make a difference. How do we want to do that?
Dragon 1 real OG.
It's really hard on me.
One Dragon Machine Cyber monster. Send 1 Machine Cyber Fusion monster to activate the graveyard.
I had a line in my head, and that's not quite what I thought.
It hurts to get Worm. In order to
It's I'll play my cards.
That's good.
Unless I win this one.
Resolve that effect that on the target.
I don't think that's gonna happen.
And then it sends one of these guys. So it'll send Red Dragon.
You didn't say that part.
I did say that. Send one cyber fusion monster.
Since that's let's try this.
Do you discard from him?
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Wait, I just wanted to make sure.
But
No, I'm
first
not over here,
effect
man.
when the graveyard activates. I sent it there. That's cyber dragon again.
Or going to be.
Yes.
It's still in great effect.
Oh, did you not use it from him?
No, yeah, I'm getting backwards now myself. Sorry. I screwed my line up.
You can activate spells in this zone.
Because that affects only items when you have it set.
I'm glad you found one.
I bought it.
Oh, you I ain't waiting for this
I
shit.
wanted to get the Starlight one, but I wasn't going to spend $600 on that. Like, I'm good.
Alright, so
Alright, that does nothing, unfortunately. We're going to set
I'm
one.
gonna normal drive.
Activate
Drive's effect.
following targeting
Cyber dragons I currently
Albion.
control. It's on the floor.
Send
It's just a thing that happens when it's on.
And then we're going This work on making it out of control.
I'm gonna activate the effect. Cyber Dark Worm in my graveyard.
Yeah.
Shin Cyber
It's our
Monster
choice,
field.
honestly.
My graveyard. This person's my graveyard.
But I almost want to play 2 Titanic.
Graveyard special summon this card.
Yeah, because I usually send one, and then the other effect, well, not effect, but being a good target for, like, Albaz.
Alright. Okay. I mean, it makes sense.
Alright, let's go. Titanic one.
You're like, just wait till turn 1 and a half.
Just wait till I get them out anyway.
Hey brother, what's up? You're fine. You're fine.
Weird setup.
If it's still overheating, is there anything you can do, or is it just done? I can't do it.
Yeah. Oh man, don't have cards.
Oh, I can just discard it from my hand.
Effect the sun.
Okay.
But it is working right now.
So we're gonna move to the attack step.
Probably do this just to see how I get. And then Albion.
Okay, and that's an 8/8.
Alright.
We're gonna set
Okay. Well, I'm not gonna ask for one.
You know what? Just because shenanigans. Retribution.
Sauron and Sauron.
May I read Retribution?
And
Just because?
Sauron has strength.
If you attempt to summon a monster
Die if you choose to block.
with a card effect,
Damage.
negate.
But was it still blowing as hard, or is it doing better?
No.
It's on me?
On you, man.
Drop.
That's where Trample is.
Stand by.
Trample is when you block. If it's doing damage, it goes through.
Harper.
You want to come back in a few days and install that?
So that's a total of
I'll take 15.
Take 15.
Since it's only at 1.
Alright. Sure, it might be 2. How'd you over Mirror Break?
Accurate effect.
Also, were you able to find that,
I'm sorry, I'm also attacking my
oh, thank you so much. Also, was
Can you let them go to this way?
yeah,
If it leaves the field due to your card period, including Kaijus.
Okay. Oh, that also 10.
Activate challenge spell 2.
Yeah, go for it.
So
Oh,
yeah, so
Pitch blue traveler to add the field spell.
when the room 10
Yep.
the first time is legendary,
Is that the...
played out the effect.
Revolver switch on.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's my favorite one. It's definitely a switch off.
There's no way
yeah, but then it goes to the next one, and whenever your ring bearer attacks, draw a card. And I'm also going to the Master Works, I believe.
It was the one that let me special summon a monster with 2100 attack.
Oh, actually, I think I'm gonna put that.
Activate the switch off.
Yep.
I'll activate the second effect of switch off. I can send one card from my hand to one card and I will change that.
You're the one that's been on the phone.
I will send draw. I didn't need that shit.
The gas man doesn't really work.
You said what?
Joel doesn't really work against his first attack.
Trust me, I know. I'm like, oh, this could have been way
The
better.
ring gains its abilities in order from top to bottom. Once it gains ability, has that ability.
Every all night apple deck.
Fortress Dragon.
Yeah, that's
Sub Dragon plus 1.
Yeah, the legendary.
Original attack of this card becomes 3,000 times the number of shields.
super cool.
And now
For a light and a light, different attributes. I mean, different, same attributes, different lights.
Well, that's heckin' weird.
every time it's
That's how I make it. That is its
ring
attack.
can't even control a creature.
Yeah, it'd be really nice if my deck didn't fucking shit on me at the wrong time.
I'm gonna activate the effect and call Earth Monster.
Alright.
Let's
I can't target right now with anything anyway.
activate the effect of Blue Traveler, targeting itself and another Blue Traveler.
You do what?
Just something.
Oh, and when the ring tints, it tints twice. So I'm gonna discard my hand. I may
Normal summon, no.
And I'm just dead.
discard my hand.
I mean, I'm definitely going to.
Yeah, no, you're going to go into leave after burning me with that Taya or Gustav. There's literally nothing I can do about it. The fucking super power fucked me.
Actually,
No, I'm making it good. Flying launch. Flying launch effect on summon?
Dude, I'm at 65.
Oh, no. I know. I still got to get there. Alright.
No, you just opened all the answers.
Just make this card level become the rank of another. Oh wait. I need another. Oh no, I can do that.
Can you?
Yeah, I can use one rank 10 machine maximizer. He copies rank.
But he's still in level.
Oh no, because that will make him still.
He's still
a
he's a
regular
level
monster,
10.
so
He's not a
Obviously.
yeah. He's not a rank.
Battle face. 4, 19, 18.
Yeah, that's what I can do. Fucking damn it. You know I still fucking hate trains.
No, trains did nothing to you.
No, really, trains didn't do anything to me. It was
Trains
fucking
did.
super well.
Did trains